Now I am going to take the lesson in 7th standard economics. In your previous classes, you have studied many things in economics, but now we are going to see about the most important activity in production. Okay student, let us see the small introduction about this topic. Introduction. Production is the process of changing the raw materials into finished product or output. The production are primary, secondary and tertiary or service production. And utility means want satisfying power of product utility, or in this nature of form utility, time utility and place utility. Now let us learn about production, and various factors are included in production like labor, capital and entrepreneur and its features in detail. Meaning of production. Production is the process of changing the raw materials into finished product. It is the act of creating an output, a good or service which has value and contribute to this unity of individuals. And consumption are two main activities in an economics. Similarly, there are two kinds of peoples, producers and consumers. Well-being is made possible by efficient production and by this interaction between producers and consumers. Production is extraction of those goods and services which have exchange value. It means the creation of utilities. Utility. Utility means want satisfying power of a product. Utilities are divided into three types. They are form utility, time utility and place utility. Types of utility. Form utility. The physical form a commodity is changed, its utility may increase. Example, cotton increase if it is converted into cloths. Place utility. A commodity is transported from one place to another place. Its utility may increase. Example, rice transport to Tamil Nadu to Kerala. Time utility. The commodity is stored for future usage. Its utility may increase. Example, agricultural commodities like patti, wheat, etc. Commodity means goods or product. Utility means use or usage. Children, do you know Indian economics is a mixed economic? Private and public sector are exciting together to improve our economic activities. Types of production. There are three types of production. First one, primary production. Second one, secondary production. And third one, tertiary or service production. First one, primary production. Primary production is carried out by the extractive industries like agricultural, forestry, fishing, mining and oil extraction. These industries are engaged in such as activity as extracting the gift of nature from the earth's surface and from the oceans. Included production is manufacturing industry, turning out semi-finished and finished goods from raw materials and conversion of flour into bread and iron ore into finished steel. Example, manufacture of cars, furniture, clothing and chemicals. And also engineering and building. Example, primary sector and secondary sector production. Cotton, primary sector. Cotton industry, secondary sector. Cloth production. Iron ore, primary sector. Iron industry, secondary sector. Material production. floor, primary sector, bread factory, secondary sector, food production. The third one, territory protection. Industries in the territory sector protect all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of consumers. Example, banking, insurance, transport and communication. Government service such as law, administration, education, health and defense are also included. Today's homework is you have to find the answer for the questions. First question, what is the production? I repeat the question. What is the production? Second one, what is the utility? What is the utility? Third one, name the types of utility. Name the types of utility. Fourth one, name the types of production. Name the type of production. Thank you, children.